What's up guys, the boss is coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another
Brand new banger.
Why you doing, John Cross?
bang? But as usual guys, right before we get in it, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Yeah people, quick and fast, cause I know the one and I got to last, you know what I mean? Yeah man. A place called Granville police station get burnt down, you know what I mean? Them I say, them don't know what cause it. John will start that look away. When you see the damage? Alright peeps, this video is supplied by Republic of Mobile. So big up Republic of Mobile for this content right tonight.
Rum, weed, hello, and somebody girl them come for me. And somebody man them come for some of my sister them. So one man I will tell the tourists, we are saying illegal ganja and illegal rum punch. What is illegal about rum? That means if rum punch we sell tourists at Jamaica right up there, so is illegal. Rum in Jamaica overall is illegal.
So alright, so we move on to get you now. So down that side here, at Chucker side down there. So then the tubing and the rafting down there. And then I don't know the tubing down there.
Then zip line used to run before Chaka come in. Then buy it out and then they shut it down. And then because they don't underpay the man them where you just work, a white man in the pool.
So when Chucker come in, I can see the operator.
Jano, that rough.
Can't no phone on over fry egg, you know. Start over there, dog.
Oh!
You mix it up. Boom, like this was can.
Yes, this is Artex Live, reporting for Bomba weather. Look at this. This is Bomba weather for you. Bomba weather report. Artex Live coming from Brixton right now. This is Bomba weather. Look at it. Ice is on the ground, people. I'm telling you. Bomba weather report. I'm telling you. Look at the Rasta man all in the stars. We have to go. Bomba weather report. Artex reporting to you live. This is Brixton, y'all. Never seen before. This is history. Bomba weather.
Wow! Yeah! Hope you enjoy that video there and thing. Although it's short, as I say, quick and fast. The one and a two last. But guess what? I'll keep the pop bubbling as always. So, peeps. Granville police station. That look away still. Me no know. Where exactly is that? Me no know. Which part that be? I don't even know. That sound like one place, you know. Me no know. Me no want to give you no wrong information. They must say they don't know how the place burned down. Them just come and come see it. burn down. That be the look away still, but yeah. But anyway, the next video now with the rafters them. Now that look like a somewhere in a Portland. So the story is this. There's a company. Alright. The rafters are being harassed by police and this company down there that do the same thing. But pretty much I block them from doing their side hustling by sending police after them. It's alleged, I should say, sending police after them and saying that they're doing illegal activities and they do something with weed and rum and all kind of stuff like that. So, but the rafters are saying that the company that's doing this, they reach out to them and want to hire them, but they're saying no, them not hire them because they make way less money and it's better for them to do them own things, right? Which probably makes sense because it look like the rafter them make more money when they do them thing by themselves and things. So because of that now, is a whole back and forth and stuff like that, you know. Big up yourself, baby signers. Yeah, a whole lot of back and forth are going in regards to some agreement. So the man them tired of the harassment from the police and police saying them are carry around illegal stuff and weed and drugs and rum and all that kind of stuff. So them come to TVG and just express themselves what them feel and stuff like that. So boy, make the love share. That's my thing, brother. Stop the company who do this alleged, you know what I mean, who do this, make the food share, you know what I mean, the world place big, you know what I mean. And yeah, I understand say I buy out some place and so, but if the food can share, the food can share. You know what I mean? You don't ultimately own the river. You know what I mean, if you get me. Or the area where they might go through and stuff like that. Man, them hustle and make a little money, man. That's it. Stop pressure the youths them nowadays. You know, see how corona have the place a lack of. Any little money you can make nowadays, it's appreciated. But anyway, peeps, hope you enjoy that little video and thing. Big up yourself. But there, yeah, shout outs to everybody. Going live immediately after I finish edit this up and thing. Yeah. And just go and join with the boy. Thank you very much for watching. Hey!
Yeah.